How to fix your microphone is picking up the desktop audio problem. Now the first thing you'll need to do is right click on the audio icon on your taskbar and then click on sounds, and it should open up this window right here. Go to the playback tab and then you want to select the main device or the main output audio device. So for example, the speakers or the headset right here. Right click on it and open up the properties, and then you want to go to the advanced tab right here and make sure to try to uncheck or check back the signal enhancement checkbox here. So if it's checked, you want to uncheck it and try to apply the settings. Otherwise you can enable it and apply the settings. And in this list, make sure that you have the main output device only activated or enabled, and go through the list and disable the other devices that are not being used. And then you can basically apply the settings from the apply button here. And you want to go to the recording tab as well and do the same. Leave only your main microphone enabled, and then right click on it and open up the properties. And then you can go to the listen tab, and in this tab make sure the listen to this device is actually unchecked. And once you're done, you can basically click on apply and OK, and that should fix the issue. But if for some reason it persists, here's what you can do. You can right click on the volume icon again and then open the volume mixer, and then you can basically go through which app the microphone is picking up audio from, if there is any specific app, and then you can basically mute it by pressing the mute button here. You can mute system sounds, you can mute specific audio coming from specific apps, or you can basically mute everything from here. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.